Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 3. Office Chat. That meeting was long. Seriously long. Do you still have work left? Quite a lot. Are you busy today? Since this morning. Did you go to lunch? Not yet. Want some coffee? Yes, please. I am really sleepy. Same here. Do you like remote work? I actually do. No commute is amazing. I agree. Did you see this email? Just now. Do we need to reply? Probably. Are you working overtime today? Looks like it. That sounds rough. I am used to it. Are you ready for the presentation? Almost. Are you nervous? A little too much. How is the new boss? Nicer than I expected. Easy to talk to? Pretty easy. What are you having for lunch? Probably pasta. Pasta again? I love it. Did you check this document? Not finished yet. Is it urgent? Kind of urgent. Haven't we had too much work lately? Definitely. Everyone looks tired. Totally. Think you can leave early today? Does not look likely. Even though it is Friday. That is sad. Is that a new keyboard? I bought it last week. Is it easy to use? Super comfortable. Did the client reply? Just came in. Was it good news? Not bad actually. Was your commute crowded today? Very crowded. Did you get a seat? No chance. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.